Although the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra may need a significant update, the same cannot be said about its battery. According to famous tipster Ice Universe, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery and a 45-watt wire charging speed. If those specifications seem familiar, it's because they've been on every Samsung flagship since the Galaxy S20 Ultra debuted in 2020. In other words, you can expect the average battery life of next year's model to be roughly the same as the current one. That's not to say that battery life hasn't improved over the last 4 generations, as improved Qualcomm chips have extended battery life by a fair amount, going from around 12 hours on a single charge with the S20 Ultra to nearly 17 hours with the most recent Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung phones are recognized for their long battery life, and the 45-watt charging speed remains competitive, but this is Samsung's premium product, which comes at an equally premium price. It's disheartening to see the Ultra's battery linger so long without being upgraded, but it also allows rivals a chance to go ahead. Comparable-sized smartphones, such as the Google Pixel 8 Pro, have a 5050 mAh battery, which is a slight upgrade over the Pixel 7 Pro's 5000 mAh battery, but nonetheless an upgrade. But the Asus ROG Phone 8 has a monstrous 5500 mAh battery. The Ultra's large battery marked it out when it originally appeared on the Galaxy S20, but it's far from the only kid on the block these days. According to rumors, Samsung is focusing on redesigning the Galaxy S25 Ultra camera system in order to entice consumers to upgrade. The largest possibility is a quad-lens back camera system with a 200MP main camera, a 50MP super telephoto camera, a secondary 50MP telephoto camera, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera. Meanwhile, it might embrace a more rounded, smaller appearance, comparable to the Galaxy Note 7. Samsung reveals what it has planned for the Galaxy S25 series, which will most likely debut in early 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.